Like you can see behind me, this is most of the big trees here. 90% of the big trees, not 90 or 95% of the big trees are all Avicennia marina. You can see that all of them have gone dry. Now Avicennia marina is a tree which grows in very harsh conditions. When it has high tolerance to pollution and salinity. To see that resilient species fall apart, it's very disturbing. If the sanctuary could be impacted seriously, if nature doesn't restore itself. See, we cannot intervene in any way except find the cause for it and research on it, and this has been going on for last 1 year. The forest department has already given this research to some agency which is doing it, but I think they should move faster and come out with some results, because these areas, for example, if you talk of the Thane Creek, you are talking of more than 2000 to 3000 hectares of forest, mangrove forest. You cannot spray anything here because it's a habitat of wildlife. A lot of birds are here which need to have good food, and you cannot destroy it.
मैंग्रोव हमने देखा है कि किस तरह से हमारे शहरों का बचाव करती है, किस तरह से हमारी शहर की रक्षा करती है। मैंग्रोव्स का बचना, हेल्दी होना, स्ट्रांग होना शहर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, पोल्यूशन के हिसाब से या फिर फ्लड कंट्रोल मैकेनिज़्म के हिसाब से ये सब होना ज़रूरी है। पर अभी ये इतने तादाद में बढ़ने के बाद अभी मेरे को लगता है कि अथॉरिटी ने या गवर्नमेंट ने इसके ऊपर सीरियसली कुछ सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये इस पैमाने पे होना सबके लिए खतरे की बात है।
Actually, this is not a controllable infestation. This is a natural phenomenon that is seen throughout the world. It is not only in Mumbai, Thane or Maharashtra or India, but there are different countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Australia, Brazil, where this type of massive infestation is reported. As such, the research papers and the science, it does not depicts any direct negative impact on the ecosystem, because we also see that all the mangroves which are brown today, in the span of 1 or 2 months, they will again get converted into green. So we need to understand what is the negative effect that will be caused because of this type of infestation. So the study related to it is ongoing.